What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of GBPCHF. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, GBPCHF, what we see on the intraday or 4-hour time frame, a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we will come back to this time frame to see how we can trade GBP CHF. Now we will be starting with the bigger picture as usual on the monthly time frame. Now GBP CHF, without any question, is a very strongly bearish market. Monthly perspective, if you see that the price was creating in a nice looking downtrend for a long period of time, respecting this trend line, and has slowly melted down, broken to the downside. Now at this point, after the previous month's doji, the bulls couldn't make it through to the upside. Instead, we have seen now melting down as there is no significant support level in this zone. We could potentially see GBP CHF is dropping even to create a new lower low. So we can expect at least to this level or even testing this monthly trend line. As you have seen, there is a long consolidation. The stronger the consolidation, the stronger will be the breakout, and we can expect now GBP CHF to continue to drop. Now, weekly perspective, past week, there is a clue here for a strong breakdown. First of all, look at these weekly candles here. There is one doji, another doji created a lower high, double dojis. So it's a nice looking bearish price action, followed by this one, basically a liquidity grab. You can see that back to back 2 weeks high has been broken. Grab liquidity closed as a doji. Now, as a result, we have seen past week strong bearish engulfer, followed by this week it's a healthy retracement to the upside, tested this very important level of support here as resistance, and we see a bounce. Now we can expect GBP CHF to continue to drop in this direction at least to this level. That can give us a really significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now we're looking at the weekly daily time frame. We see that there is a nice looking downtrend after this long consolidation on the daily perspective and deceleration, liquidity grab here, and then has broken down. There is a strong breakdown and again followed by retracement, tested this important level of liquidity zone here, previous support. You can see a clear retest of this previous support as resistance on the daily, created the doji, and also nearly tested the 20 period moving average. And then now we see back to back every day the price is creating a bearish price action. So this is a nice looking bearish price action, and we can expect on the daily perspective as well the price to continue to drop. Then where we can expect an entry for GBP CHF, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we see this current candle is creating another bearish engulfer. Now we can see a nice looking reversal pattern here. You can consider as a head and shoulder, though this is a very angular head and shoulder. So something like that, that can give us you see the breakdown. So we can expect the price to go up and test this neckline of this head and shoulder. So we have seen already a head and shoulder. This is the level where it has been created, and we see a bearish engulfer is being formed. Now this current candle has an element of false breakout to the upside. You see that back to back 2 3 candles high has been broken, grab liquidity, closing as a bearish engulfer. So after closing of this as a bearish engulfer along this zone, we will consider shorting according to the rules of our strategy from this zone with our BIPA students to the downside with a high risk to reward ratio to take this move. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.